So it's maths time again. Who's going to the party? What will they do? What will they dance to? Let's go and have a look. Hello, it's party time. Let's start with one thing. Yesterday, did you spot the mistake? When I held up Daddy 10 and said baby 1, did you get it? That was a trick just to see if you were listening. If you heard it and you realised because you were paying attention, tick yourself a house point. Fantastic. Okay, it's party time. Daddy 10 is always at his door waiting to measure everybody. And today, he's there by his door. And Sister 5 comes along. Do you like her hair? She's got a side ponytail. She loves to do gymnastics. And Sister 5 says, "Hi Daddy 10, I heard you host the greatest parties. There's roller skating, musical chairs, fairy cakes. Someone told me you've got a real unicorn inside. Stand in front of my door. Let me measure you, please." So she stands in front of the door. Let's measure her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. She's only 5. How many more does she need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hang on, sorry, let me just count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And she needs 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to be big enough. Daddy 10 says, "I'm sorry, there's no way you can come in. You need to go and find 5 more. 5 more to make 10. He turns round, and as he turns round, this happens. Ta-da! They're twins. Daddy 10 looks. Huh? Huh? I can see 2 of you. We're twins, say the girls. And because they love doing gymnastics, they do flips and end up like this, standing upside down on each other's shoulders. Whoa, whichever way you have them. Okay. Daddy 10 was in shock. Okay, come in. So the girls went into the party. They rode on the unicorn. They had rainbow colours put in their hair and they had a lovely dance.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs?
Okay. So the girls are at the party, but we've forgotten their move. Okay, this is what they do. They hold their arms like this and they go, Sister 5, Sister 5, Sister 5, Sister 5. Let's see if you can remember the other ones. You do this one today. That was great. Mummy 9, Mummy 9, Mummy 9, Mummy 9. Can you please put your dummy in? She always pops it out. Please put your dummy in. She always... Baby 1, baby 1, baby 1, baby 1. Super 6, super 6, super 6, super 6. Clumsy 4, clumsy 4, clumsy 4, clumsy 4. Oh, are you ready to hop? Bunny 2, bunny 2, bunny 2, bunny 2. Grandad 8, Grandad 8, Grandad 8, Grandad 8. And how about the girls? Sister 5, Sister 5, Sister 5, Sister 5. Okay, so the girls go together. I don't know which one's which actually. Okay, can I show you something on the board? Yesterday you should have practiced your sentence. So 9 plus 1 equals 10, or 9 add 1 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. plus 4 equals 10. So what would be our number sentence today from the twins? What might that look like? Did you say 5 plus 5? Okay, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. The twins look so alike, I always forget which one's which. So I'm not sure whose idea it was to go to the party first. Should we swap them over? The other 5 plus 5 equals 10. So at first she was first, but then this is confusing. So with the 5s, it doesn't matter whose idea it is to go to the party. If maybe one started crying and wanted to go to the party, who would she go with? If maybe one wanted to go to the party, how many more would she need to make 10 and be big enough? Let's have a look. Okay, here's our door. There's baby one. She's crawled to the party by herself, quite naughty. Put her there. She only covers up one of the holes, she's just one. This dummy. If she took Grandad 8 with her, would they be allowed to go in? Have they covered up all the holes? No, look, there's one there. The dummy doesn't count. If she took Clumsy 4 with her, would they cover up all of the holes? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They only make 5. She can only go to the party with Mummy 9. Mummy 9 might have to go upside down. So 1 goes to the party with 9. Let's have another look at the board. Here we go. So the baby can only go to the party with Mummy 9. It doesn't matter if Mummy 9 wants to go and she takes the baby as her guest. It doesn't matter if 1 wants to go and she takes 9 as her guest. It doesn't matter which way round or whose idea or who wants to go first, but they must go together. So if Bunny Rabbit 2 decided that he wanted to go to the party, who would Bunny Rabbit 2 have to go with? Let's have a look. Bunny Rabbit 2, he's got to make 10. He's got to get to 10 to get into the party. He's got 2. How many more will he need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it does have to be Grandad 8. So 8 wanted to go to the party and took 2. 2 wanted to go to the party and took 8. It doesn't matter who goes first, which way round they are, because they still make 10 together. Who else have we got? If Clumsy 4 decided to fly to the party and crash into a lamppost on the way, who might he take with him? Who would he have to take? Who would he have to take with him to go to the party? Can you shout out for me? Clumsy 4 has to go to the party with Super 6. Fantastic, well done. Let's go back to the chair. Take a quick look at this picture. We've got 2 guests missing from our 10 party. Do you know who they are? Well done. You're fantastic at this. Mr. Holditch is going to be very pleased with you. 7 comes in the form of Granny 7. She is crazy. Okay, this is how she dances. Can you see her big ball of hair on top? And when you see her, you say this. Granny 7, Granny 7, Granny 7, Granny 7. Granny 7 loves parties because she loves dancing, because this is her move. Doesn't she look funny? Very weird, bobbly hair. Okay, let's count her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When she found out there was dancing at the 10's party, she immediately wanted to go. There's Daddy 10 guarding his door. Let's put her in front of it and see if she's allowed in. Do you think she'll be allowed in? Oh. I can't. Granny, your hair is in the way. Granny, I'm going to turn you upside down. Oh, Granny. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more does she need to make 10? 7 in your head. Put Granny in your head. 7, 8, 9, 10. She's got 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Does she need to cover up? She only needs to cover up. Oh, hang on. Oh, her hair was covering one up. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. She needs 3 more. Sorry, I'll put your hair back, Granny. She needs 3 more. She knows exactly who she needs to take. Kitty Cat 3. Kitty Cat 3 is very lazy. All she does all day is sit by the fish tank. And when you see her, you need to do this, because she's always licking her fur. Kitty Cat 3, Kitty Cat 3, Kitty Cat 3, Kitty Cat 3. I just can't find her. Where might I find her? Aha, the fish tank. Let's have a look. I've pulled her away from our fish. Here she is. She's got a lovely sparkly tail, little collar. You can see her little ears. 1, 2, 3. Kitty Cat 3. You remembered. Kitty Cat 3, Kitty Cat 3, Kitty Cat 3, Kitty Cat 3. Yes, you do that. Okay, let's check them together. This is going to be really hard with Granny's big hair. Okay, I've had to put Kitty Cat 3 upside down. Let's count them on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They can go to the party. She's really excited. Can you see her hair going? Kitty Cat 3 doesn't actually want to go because she wants to just stay and watch the fish. They go through the door. They go to the party. Daddy 10 actually lets them come in because they make 10 and they have a boogie.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Woo! So now we know that's 7, Granny 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, goes to the party with Kitty Cat 3. 1, 2, 3, because together they make 10. If Kitty Cat 3 did want to go to the party, say that she found out that there was fish and chips and she did want to go to the party, who could Kitty Cat 3 take with her? Would she be allowed to take Sister 5? No. Would she be allowed to take Mummy 9? No. She has to take Granny 7 because together they bond together and make 10, and that's what we need to go to the 10 party. You worked really, really hard. Well done. This afternoon in your workbooks, please can you write out the number sentences that might go with sisters, the twins, 5 plus 5 equals 10, and Granny 7 and Kitty Cat 2 make 10. Can you write that one out in a short way, like me and not my brother? I did finish before him yesterday, so did you. So he's really not very happy. And remember, it doesn't matter if you put Granny 7 and then Kitty Cat 3, or Kitty Cat 3, then Granny 7, or you can do both. Completely up to you. I think that's everybody that's gone to the party now. I really struggle when I'm writing my number sentences down as to who goes to the party with who. I find it quite difficult. I'm going to show you a little clue that my mummy uses to help me. So if you're struggling, maybe your mummy or daddy can help you with this. First of all, she does this in my book. Can you see she's set the number sentences up for me? And she's done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 different number bonds to make 10. Then she gets my felt tips out and she says to me, find Daddy 10. So I say, this is Daddy 10. Daddy 10. And then she said, find Daddy 10's colour. So I look through my pens and I say, that's Daddy 10's colour. And then she says, write down Daddy 10 at the end of every number sentence because all of your numbers need to make 10 to go to the 10s party. So then I do this. 10 is the total for all of our number sentences because we're making number bonds to 10. We're bonding the friends together. Then she says, for every number, put that coloured pen next to that piece of Numicon. So I line them up like this. So here they are, Daddy 10 blue, Mummy 9 purple, Grandad 8 green, Granny 7 pink, Super 6 light blue, Sister 5 red, Clumsy 4 light green. It's not exactly the right colour, but it's close enough. Kitty Cat 3 yellow. Let's skip Bunny 2, and then Baby 1 orange. For Bunny 2, I haven't got the right colour. I just don't have that colour, and I haven't got that colour in a pencil either. So Mummy said to me, I can just make it up and use grey for Bunny 2. So then she said to me, pick a piece of Numicon, any piece of Numicon you like. So I just pointed to Granny 7. So she said, write Granny 7 in your first box with your pink pen. So I just wrote Granny 7 in there. And she said, who goes with Granny 7? And I had a little look, and then I remembered that Granny 7 and Kitty Cat 3 go together. What colour should I write the 3? Yellow. So Kitty Cat 3 and Granny 7. Then she said, choose another piece of Numicon. So I chose Clumsy 4. I wrote the 4 in there. And then, you know, 6. And I carried on like that. I know already, this is the easiest one I find, 5. Goes with 5. It makes a nice rainbow pattern as well, actually. I think Rainbow Fish would like it. Let's try purple. Mummy 9 is purple. Who should Mummy 9 go with? Who carries? Who does Mummy 9 carry? Baby 1. And then if I choose Daddy 10, I can see Daddy 10 is already the right answer. It's already equal. So this must be 0. And I'm going to write 0 in black. Who's missing down here? Do you know? Well done. I'm going to do Bunny Rabbit 2. Remember, I chose my grey pen for that. Bunny Rabbit 2, who obviously goes with Grandad 8. Grandad 8. Don't forget, if you want to do extra work, remember you can swap those numbers around. So if I want to do lots of number sentence, I might do Super 6 and Clumsy 4. And then underneath it, I might do a different sentence that starts with Clumsy 4 and takes Super 6. Then I might do 7 plus 3, Granny 7 and Kitty Cat 3, and then Kitty Cat 3 first. She wants to go for a change rather than looking at the fish. And number 7. So you can swap them around if you want to.